So I thought I'd show this to you. It's really super simple. I have a 3D model that I need to turn that um, ring at the top 90 degrees so it goes the other way so I can run a ring through the top of it. And I'm using Microsoft 3D Builder. And it's really easy to do, so I thought I'd show it to you. So you just bring the model into 3D Builder, which is a tool that comes with Microsoft. And then the very first thing I do is I make a copy of it. So there's a simple copy and paste option. And just because I like to do it, I slide it over to the right, get out of my way. And then there's another tool called Split. And I set it to keep the bottom of the original. And I just want to take the ring off the top of it. So I slide it up until I get to the point where the ring portion just above the skull is showing. And this doesn't need to be really super accurate. You just need to kind of get it in the basic general vicinity, and then take note of the number that's at the bottom of the screen, of where you're taking it off, and jot that down, and then go ahead and do the split, and it'll take the top off. But remember that number, and then go over to the copy, and then keep the top of this one instead of the bottom. And then when you go to see the number change, just go down there and edit it so it's exactly the same number as the one you had when you cut the top off. And then you'll have an exact split of the top and the bottom. And then you can just slide this over until it's at position 0 where this guy is. So it's at the exact same place, centered and locked in. And then you can select the turn option for this top piece and turn it. And I just key in the number 90 degrees so I know exactly that I've turned it 90. And then you can grab both pieces and merge them together. You could just save it at this point because it merges it automatically anyway. But that's how simple it is to make that kind of modification in 3D Builder. And then I just go ahead and save the file, and I'm done.